Welcome to the demo, everybody. I'm Mr. Steve, and I've got an add-on that's from my collab partner. Genius of this add-on is all SKD SAM, and if you want to jump over to the Blender Market Creators SKD SAM, you will see Collection Compactor here, along with some other highly beneficial add-ons like the GIF Maker. That one's like a full, it's a tiny add-on, and it's like a full studio for making GIFs. You can make little short movies. That's crazy. But back to Collection Compactor. Now, straight away, you can see I've got a huge outliner, and this can definitely happen to you with any type of scene, even a mild scene. You could end up needing to separate things by type, mesh, lights, empties, lattice, anything you can think of. And now you need some organization in this huge outliner. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come up here to the Collection Compactor. Now you could select any one of these collections. I'm going to go to green 2 because it's right here. And what we can do is we could say, hey, let's exclude this so we clean up our outliner. And we want to remove it from the renders. Maybe we'll remove it from the viewport for now, but not the renders, so we don't mess it up. So let's go ahead and set that data. Now green 2 has been removed from the render. Excuse me, not from the render, but from the viewport. As you can see, it just disappeared. We want to restore it. Just click the little icon right here, and it restores it and undoes everything. Now, and then you can do this with as many of these as you need. You just say, hey, I want to exclude that. I want to exclude green, and then they'll be outside of the outliner. They'll collapse, and you'll have a lot more room. Now, the cool thing is we can start hiding these by type and or showing them by type. So this is now on hide by type. If I want to select mesh, it's just going to remove the mesh objects. And these are not mesh, these are text. So if I come in here and I want to get rid of something that is text, then we can just go ahead and press font. Same thing. And now if you press it again, it doesn't work. You have to click this button. Now it'll say, hey, show by type. Let's bring back font. And it's going to remove everything else. Now let's bring back mesh. And then you can kind of switch through all of these. And it's going to give you what I would consider a very high level of organization to bring your outliner under your control for your needs. And if we want to replace, or rather revert, just click show all. And then you can click these two buttons. I mean, it's really just that simple, guys. It's a powerful add-on, and any one of these that I have in here, I can just remove them, and it works out very nice. Then hiding by type, I can just go through. Maybe I just don't want to show anything but lights. Then I wouldn't want to go through clicking everything, kind of a lot of extra work. So I would say, hey, I just want to show lights, and it's going to remove everything else. And that's the logic behind it. Doesn't get any more simple than that. And if we do want to not show this because you've got a lot of stuff going on and you don't maybe need it for your current project, you could just remove it from the end panel altogether and it won't show up. And it's at it. That's it. So, want this add-on? It's very powerful. It's going to do all the things you need it to do to get your outliner under control, because add-ons save time by nature, or they just are not as useful. All right, I'm over here at SKD's site. You will see the Collection Compactor here, just $3, great deal. Add it to your collection of useful workflow add-ons. Also got the GIF Maker, Maze Maker, which is actually really powerful. I did a demo, a video for him on that. Go check it out. He's got the text editor and then a to-do add-on, which is pretty cool. Did a tutorial on that one for him too. So go pick this up and support your Blender devs as we are out here trying to make your life easier. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.